Hi, I'm Shane from Samurai South Africa. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the Samurai KISI blade. KISI blade, as you can see, is a foldable blade. It also has a unique curved shape with the auto lock button. As you can see, when I straighten that blade, it locks into position by itself. This curved blade, it's got a very aggressive formal tooth pattern which allows you to cut very quickly and through often very hard wood. The other benefit of the KISI blade, as I said, it's foldable. Push the button down, fold that blade, and where does it go? Straight into my pocket. So while I'm camping and I need to cut something up, it's always there. But you're not watching this video because you want to hear about me camping. You want to see this bad boy cut. Let's do that. As I said, if you're camping, you're never going to be cutting something that's wet and green. You're going to burn it. You want it good for the fire. You want something very dry. And as I said, he has a very dry specimen, very dead tree. Let's see the KISI in action. Remember, all Samurai saws are designed to cut only on the pull stroke. As you can see, nice thick piece, KISI in action, and again, beautiful rubberized handle, as all Samurais do, very ergonomic, allows you to cut for very long periods of time. Don't buy wrong, buy Samurai.